Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a work email on your iPhone. It's a relatively straightforward process and they've given guides to it on your web browser as well. So what you need to do is, first of all, of course, depending if you want to add it on your iPhone or iPad or any other device, you'll open it up. There are two ways you can set up an email account. What you can do is you can set it up automatically or you can set it up manually as well. I'd recommend that automatic is more straightforward, so you should attempt that. Just in case for any reason if you can't do that, you should go with the manual way. So first I'll go with how you can set up an email automatically if you use a common email provider. So what you need to do is, on your iPhone or your other device, you need to go to settings first. From there you'll select the mail option as you scroll, and from there you'll see an option of accounts as they've shown right here. This will be the screen that you see. You'll select accounts and from there you'll see an option of add account. You'll add that and then you'll select your email provider. Then you'll enter your email address and your password. After that, if you see next, you need to tap it and the mail will verify your account in a bit. Otherwise, if you don't see next, you can simply press on save and then tap that. The other way you can set it up is you can set it up manually when you select other for less common email providers. So let's say you couldn't set it up automatically with more common email providers. This is your second way. You need to go to settings, then you'll go on mail and then you'll tap accounts. From there you need to tap add account, then you need to tap other, and then you need to tap add mail account. So the difference here is in automatic you're simply adding your account and selecting your email provider. However, here you need to just add your account, tap other, and then you need to tap add mail account. Now from there you can see your manual screen right here. You need to add your name, you need to add your email, you need to add password, and you can add a description as well if you want to. After that you need to simply tap next and mail will try to find the email settings and your account would be finished setting up. Now there's something that could happen if mail can't find your account settings automatically. What you need to do is that you need to choose IMAP or POP for your new account. You'll see that in the settings as well. If you're not sure which one to choose, what you can do is simply you can provide your email provider. This doesn't happen that much, but just in case if it happens with you, this is the steps that you can take. From there you'll enter the information from your incoming mail server and outgoing mail server, as you can see right here. And if all of the information is correct, you can tap save to finish and hopefully your email would be set up.